Well, this is kind of really a broad topic right now because it's not only just the commodity currencies that are exposed that you normally think about, the Canadian dollar, Norway, but it is really impacting worldwide because it is, when you look at countries that really don't produce oil, like China, which is a major consumer, it really impacts the currency pair there because it's costing them more to buy oil because they're going to have to be buying dollars, and it makes some real movements in the currency that you wouldn't normally expect. And it's not just the commodity producing countries, it's really kind of a worldwide impact with this, and so it's pretty far reaching right now. And I think we saw that yesterday with the overall strength of the dollar. Yeah. And because there's really going to be more demand for the dollar just because it's cost more for oil.
And it's interesting what you say about China. Actually, it's what Juliana was speaking about a little bit earlier, because they are a net importer of oil and they've been actively devaluing the currency. Yeah. It's been depreciating, but surely now with this additional consideration of oil, perhaps they may have to put a stop to that to keep the currency under control.
Maybe. I really am not sure if that's what they're going to do. Because if you look at the Chinese government and the way that they are trying to battle, let's say this, it's really Trump that they're battling against and his tariffs against their products in the United States. The Chinese government has got a lot more power than a US president or pretty much any president in the world because it is much more centrally organized and it's much less dependent upon the individual people, and the political process there is really very top down. And so I think that they have got a lot more ability and capability to drag this thing out a lot longer than most countries do. We've got an election coming up in the United States, and that really impacts candidates' ability to, play hardball. And in other words, the Chinese government, I think, can continue to devalue their currency for a lot longer than the U.S. can really play.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.